This is the Model R3 pure full Android smartwatch in always on mode. Twist your wrist. If you have that activated, brings you into a watch face that includes a compass in the outer rim. Really sweet. There are all kinds of features, of course, because this is an Android watch. Hello, come here. There we go. You got all these different controls. You can have direct Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or cellular SIM card on the side, GPS module in it, volume, airplane mode, and brightness control, and really fun. You can just bring up the sliders right here easily to work with it. You have a bunch of different overall capabilities with your settings and all of your different apps. Phone calling, messaging is in here. You have a music player, overall dial market with lots of different dials available. Heart rate, blood pressure, blood oxygen are supported. An air conditioner remote control, that's right here. It's a little IR. You can program it with whatever you want, your TV remote. Only one thing though, basically on and off, or perhaps your mute button if you want to. You could mute from your watch, whichever button you want. Breathing, sound recorder. You got 32 gigabytes of storage, 3 gigabytes of RAM, which makes it really clean. Look at that for sliding through it. You got the Google Play Store in here. You can download your Google Drive directly once you have the Play Store set up. And from the drive, you can set up apps on your computer or whatnot, like I've done. Like CX File Explorer is great. Settings search. Your koi fish swimming around, that's an app I like to play with to demo the capabilities of the watch. Whatever you'd like, all of your standard Android apps are in here. Again, SIM card support, so it's a standalone phone. You have a pull-out camera right here, a camera module that you can sweep up and take videos or pictures. You can go forward, backward, however you'd like. It's a really nice, basic, standalone Android watch, and it's coming in pretty darn thin. Looks like a normal, regular watch. It's not big and thick and bulky, yet it has an 1100 milliamp hour battery and should get decent battery life. Lots of different watch faces. Again, it is called the Model R3. Check it out.